Hi, Miss Dakota. This is Mr. Thompson sending you another video today. And today's video, we're going to cover 4 different things. So the first thing you're going to go over is your set of lowercase letters, in which I'm going to give you 1 minute for you to complete and go through and read all 26 lowercase letters. When you are done with that, or I should say that you're going to have 1 minute to complete it if I didn't already say that. After you're done with that, I'd like for you to pause, and Mom, if you wouldn't mind, if you could have Dakota go through and tell me the letter sounds that each one of those letters make, I would appreciate it. Also, we're going to read a book together. Well, I'm going to play it on YouTube, and you're going to follow along as it goes through. Third from last, we're going to have our number identification that you're going to go through, and you're going to tell Mom what numbers you hear. And then lastly, I have an IXL that I'd like for you to do, and I have your login and password here for you so you can get logged in to start on that. Okay, let's get started. Okay, if you want to go ahead and pause the screen right now, go ahead and do so and give Dakota 1 minute so that she can go through her ABCs. Please mark down any of the letters that she's not able to complete, so we can work on those for our next sessions. So go ahead and pause now. I'm going to go on now and go into our next one, which is brown bear, brown bear. So I'm going to pop this up on the screen. And all I need for you to do, Dakota, is listen closely to the story as it's read to you. And at the end, I would like you to tell Mom a couple details about the story, as well as what things or what the overall story was about. Okay? So I'm going to press play now.
By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? Tweet, tweet, I see a yellow duck looking at me. Tweet, tweet. Yellow duck, what do you see? Quack, quack, I see a blue horse looking at me. Quack, quack. Blue horse, what do you see? Neigh! I see a green frog looking at me. Neigh! Green frog, what do you see? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. I see a purple cat looking at me. Ribbit, ribbit. Purple cat, what do you see? Meow, meow. I see a white dog looking at me. Meow. White dog, what do you see? Woof, 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 woof. I see a black sheep looking at me. Woof, woof. Black sheep, what do you see? Bah, bah. I see a goldfish looking at me. Bah. Goldfish, what do you see? Bloop, 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 bloop. I see a teacher looking at me. Bloop, bloop. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end. Max, what color is the bear?
Okay, so Dakota, if you could tell mom, what did you remember from the story? Maybe what things did each animal see, or what kind of animals were in the story, and what was the entire story about in general? Okay. Now, mom, I'm going to give you, let me grab, I had it right here. I have her login information somewhere. Let me grab it for you. Okay, got it right here. Okay, I have Dakota's login information, and I'm going to put it up here for you to see. And just in case you can't see it, I'm going to send it in email for you as well. And what I'd like for you to do is once you get on, you're going to click on kindergarten, go to kindergarten math, which is this triangle right up here. You're going to scroll down to letter J, which is addition up to 10, and have her complete number 1 right here. So this is what number 1 will look like. Pops up here. So there are 5 blue cubes and 1 orange cube. How many cubes are there in all? Complete the sentence. So a little bit of addition that she's going to be doing. If you wouldn't mind recording how many she gets right versus how many she gets wrong and sending that in an email, I would appreciate it. I'm going to stop my share screen now. So we went through, you did your lowercase letters. You did brown bear for your main idea and key details, as well as number identification. We didn't do that part yet, so let's do that real quick. Okay. You have a list of numbers here, and I'd like for you to count from 1 to 20. Okay, I'm going to give you 1 minute, so if you want to pause the screen, go ahead and count from 1 to 20. Once you're done pausing, I'm going to take these numbers away. And I would like for you to tell me, Dakota, what number is this? How about this? How about that? And this one? And this one? This one? This one? And how about that one? Mom, if you wouldn't mind recording for me which ones she got right versus wrong. Thank you both for sitting down with me. Thank you both for going through these. Sorry it was kind of sloppy as I went through. I will send your information for IXL for you to log in and do your math, and we'll go from there. I hope you're both doing well, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you soon. All right. Bye-bye.